In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste YouTube Shorts and earn money, even if you're a complete beginner, without filming videos, editing videos, or even showing your face on camera. But not only that, I'm also going to reveal a super secret niche that's untapped, has zero competitors, and is paying out millions of dollars. So if you ever wanted to copy and paste YouTube Shorts and earn money, smash that like button, watch the full video, and follow along step by step. So I'm going to show you how to copy and paste YouTube Shorts and earn money. This video walks you through exactly what you need to do so you can make money with YouTube Shorts without creating any of the videos yourself. But before we get into the step-by-step process, I just want to show you this article. As you can see, YouTube Shorts creators will be able to earn share of ad revenue here in 2023. So not only are you going to earn share of ad revenue, but I'm also going to show you an added bonus that'll help you make even more money with these YouTube Shorts. So the first thing that you need to do to make money with YouTube Shorts is to find a profitable niche. And to do that, I just simply went over to YouTube, and in the search bar, I put in hashtag shorts. And basically what I'm looking for is anything that doesn't require me to show my face on camera. So I just looked through these videos. This looks like a gaming video. This right here is another gaming video. And that's exactly how I found this niche. This is basically fidgets, these little simple videos. It looks like somebody's just playing with squishy toys. These videos are really easy to make. It's just these little small fidget toys. So to make sure that this right here is a good niche, I just simply went into the search bar and I put in hashtag shorts plus fidgets. Don't you remember those little spinning toys that pretty much took the internet by storm? Just about everybody had one. There's also other fidget toys that's doing the same thing and getting people a lot of views on these YouTube Shorts. If we just look through here and see how many views they're actually getting, this got 2.4 million views. This was uploaded 5 days ago. That's got 2.1 million views. This was uploaded 2 weeks ago and that's got 23 million views. And this was 2 days ago and that's got 603,000 views. So people are getting a lot of views creating these really simple fidget toy videos. And now I'm just going to show you this channel here, which is one of the top fidget toy channels. It's Purple Stars 02. If we just go here and look at the shorts and look at the type of videos that they're creating, they're these really simple videos, everything about these little squishy fidget toys. And if we go over to Social Blade, we'll see that they're earning about $503,000 monthly or $6 million per year. Now that you found that popular niche and you've seen what a successful channel looks like so you can model after it, and you've seen how much money that you can make monthly by creating these simple types of videos, it's time for step 2, which is to find the videos that we can use for our channel so we don't have to create them ourselves. And to do that, you just want to go over to TikTok and enter _fidget_toys_662. And if you look here, they got 337,000 followers and 1.7 million likes. And their videos are getting thousands to hundreds of thousands of views. If you look, they're just creating these really simple videos showing nothing but their hands and these little fidget toys. And what we can do is remodel these videos and make them copyright free. Basically, what we're going to be doing is making it a reaction style video. So you just want to pick one of the most popular videos or one that you like. I kind of like this one here, so I'm just going to open it up. And I'm going to copy the link to the video here. If you don't see this link, you would just hover over this little share icon and you will have the option to copy link here. And now that we got the link to the video, we're going to use this app. It's called Snaptic. So just go to snaptic.app and we're just going to paste that link here and click download. And as you can see, this is our video here, and then you would just download it to your computer. So now that we got the video, we need to modify it to make it copyright free. And to do that, we're going to use a free software called Canva. So just go to canva.com. And once you go to Canva, you just want to go into the search bar and type mobile video. And then we're just going to select blank. And once you do that, you just want to drag and drop your video into the canvas. And the first thing that I do is click on the video to make sure I have it highlighted, and I remove any volume, any music, or any commentary. So I just click on that little icon and I'm going to turn this all the way down. And one of the first things that we can do to make this more of a reaction style video is make this a little bit bigger so we could kind of zoom in on it just a little bit more and make it centered. And now we're just going to go to elements up here and I'm going to select this box and I'm going to drag this one up to the top. Then I'm just going to click on it and duplicate this, and I'm going to drag this one down to the bottom. And I'm just going to drag it all the way out to cover the bottom and do the same with the top. And I'm going to make these white. I'm going to change the color to white. Drag this down a little bit more. And now we want to add some text. So just come over here and click on text and we're going to add a heading. And what this is going to do is get people to engage with the video. So I'm just going to click out of that, click on it, and I'm going to duplicate the text. Also drag one to the bottom and the other to the top. So at the top, we could say something like rate these fidgets. and we just want to make that a little bit smaller. Make sure it's centered. And at the bottom, we could say something like comment 1 through 10 on this video. We're just going to make that a little bit smaller and make sure it's in there and centered. Okay, that looks good. And what this is going to do is get people to engage with this video. And while they're commenting, the video is going to be looping in the background. So your view duration is going to go up past 100%, increasing the chances of your video going viral. So now that we got our video, we just want to download it. So we're just going to go up here to share, and then we're just going to download it and hit download again. And as you can see, now it's downloading to our computer. And now that we got our video and we use Canva to recreate it, making it a reaction style video, it's time for step 3, which is to monetize our video so we can make money from the very first upload. And to do that, you just want to sign up as an affiliate with Amazon. It's a real simple process. As you can see, you would just sign up, recommend, and earn. You've already seen that these videos can go viral. So not only can you make hundreds of thousands of dollars monthly in ad revenue, but you could also do the same with affiliate marketing and double your income. So once you sign up as an affiliate with Amazon, you just want to log in and search fidgets. And then you just want to find a good product that you want to recommend. For example, let's just say we pick this pack here. And as you can see, this is a 50-piece fidget pack, and it's got 13,449 reviews. So we know that this product is selling well. And not everybody that makes a purchase is going to leave a review. So you would just log into Amazon and get your affiliate link for this product. And now that you got your affiliate product and you can make money from your very first upload, it's time for step 4, which is uploading it to YouTube. So you just want to go over to YouTube, press create, and upload that video. And the first thing that we need to work on is going to be the title. So we could just say something like squishy fidget toys, #shorts. And then we would just copy this. And we're also going to put this in the description. This way YouTube will know what this video is about. It's also going to help us rank for these keywords, giving us more of a chance to go viral. And then we just want to scroll down. Make sure you select no, it's not for kids. And you just want to scroll down. And you also want to add keywords here that's related to your video. This is also going to help YouTube understand what the video is about. It's good for SEO, and it's also going to help to push the video out there. So you just want to add as many related keywords that you could think of. So we could say fidget toys, comma, fidget toy video, comma. And once you've done that, you get that filled out with keywords, you just want to come down here and hit next, copyright no issues found, next. And then you just want to select public and publish. And the next thing that you want to do is visit your video so you can put your affiliate link in the pinned comment. So we could just say something like the best squishy fidget pack ever. And then of course you would just go back to Amazon and put your affiliate link here, and then we're just going to comment, and then we're going to come up here and click on these 3 dots and pin the comment. And every time someone clicks on that affiliate link and makes a purchase, you're going to make money. So in just a few steps, you can copy and paste YouTube Shorts and make money with ad revenue and affiliate marketing. And now check out this video here to discover how you can make $1,000 a day with YouTube Shorts. Anyone can do this, and I'll show you how in this video right here, so check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with the notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, I'll see you in the next video.